Hello guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to use CapCut Pro features completely for free. First, search for CapCut on your PC, then right-click and select Open File Location. In the new window, right-click again and choose Open File Location once more. Now you'll see multiple versions of CapCut installed on your computer. Choose the oldest version to make sure it hasn't been patched. Open CapCut from there. Next, rename your project and import a video to work on. After importing, try adding some pro effects to your clip. When you try to export it, CapCut will display a warning saying that your video contains pro features and cannot be exported. To fix this, close the Export tab. Select all the elements in your timeline, then right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Now go to the Basic tab, scroll down to Motion Blur, enable it, and set the blur amount to 0. Wait until the video finishes processing. Once processing is done, go to the file location mentioned in CapCut. You can find this in your Settings or Export Settings. Navigate to the folder, then open the Resources folder, and from there, open the Video ALG folder. You'll find your processed video already exported and saved here. You can use it directly or even re-import it back into CapCut. After importing it again, delete the original clip from the timeline. Now you have your video with all the pro effects applied, and you can export it without any issues. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.